Hey, you guys, we're about to head over to our client's property that we just helped them close on. It's a duplex over in Citrus Heights.
And if you don't remember or haven't heard about it yet, we actually did get this client in. The VA, $0 out of pocket. He paid nothing for this. 0% down, got all closing costs covered. We ended up with a total of $42,000 between credits and repairs for our buyer. And we were able to get the current tenant evicted and out so he can move in within about a week.
Yeah, about a week. But basically, we're going to go over there, check out the progress that he's made, talk to him about his experience with the eviction process, what he's done so far, and then kind of highlight what the next phase is for this project. So we're going to head over there right now.
Sweet.
Hey, you guys, we're here at the duplex today. This is the property that our client Eric closed on about a week ago. So he's had 1 week of ownership. We're going to check in with him, see what he's done. The tenant was evicted last week. So kind of give us that experience of what that was like, what she left you with, and what you've done so far.
Yeah, I mean, as far as what do we stay up to like almost 1 in the morning that day waiting for her to get out.
We're here till 1.
Yeah, it was a long night, but then the very next day, I guess it was like perfect because it landed right on the weekend.
Yeah.
So we immediately just started getting all the junk out. We had 3 guys here, so it was me and Christian. We were moving all the junk out, just getting it out into the front yard because we were gonna get a dumpster. And then Sam was tackling all this yard work because it was like about this tall here. So
Which we didn't
that
realize
definitely took a long time.
Yeah, which we didn't realize how much of a lot this was. We knew that it had potential. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, so you guys got the lot done. Now let's show us what you've done in the inside so far.
Yeah. So we still got to rake a little bit, but we got most of it out, so it looks a little bit nicer. I guess the first thing we did here too is obviously swap out the deadbolt and make sure the house is secured.
Yeah.
This is still a little cheesy. Yeah, it's a little cheesy.
Hey, that's all stuff to come.
So, yeah. As far as in here goes, well, we're about halfway with the popcorn ceiling.
Yeah.
Be something we finish off this week. Laminate flooring got ripped off. There's still a little bit of tile left there that we just gotta chip out.
Yeah.
Walking in over here, same thing. Just
This is the dining room area.
Ripped out all of this laminate flooring. Took off all the baseboards. Same thing here. Just got to work our way, kind of scrape this popcorn off.
Yeah.
And then looking into what was the kitchen here.
So this was originally a galley kitchen, so closed off. You have the garage door over here, but kind of tell them about the new setup that you're doing. Obviously, there's a big hole in this wall, what that's for. Kind of tell us what you're doing with that.
Yeah, so we kind of locked ourselves out. We had to break in, and then it used to kind of be closed off a little bit here, right? So I figured if we can make it look nice and open, we're gonna do that. So we're gonna move this door over to here, and where the fridge used to be that was there is now gonna come here, which gives us more countertop and cabinet space and everything, upper cabinets as well. The stove used to be here, so we're just gonna reroute that, put the stove there, and then put cabinets and same thing. Just have a U-shaped style kitchen for
A lot more
counters.
space.
A lot more space.
No, a more open feel, because I mean, with that kitchen, that thing was closed off.
Yeah.
So that'll be a sweet.
Door was kind of awkward right there too.
Yeah.
Just swinging in everything. So yeah, I think the kitchen could come out nice.
Sweet. And then over here we got
over
furnace, pantry.
All this used to be regular tile. Was a pain in the butt to rip out, really. A lot of work here. Still got leftover mortar we got to come back and finish off. This room had carpet, so this was fairly easy. It took like not that long to rip out. Still got this stuff. The popcorn in here got scraped off, so we're all done there.
Did a good job on that.
And then also we went ahead and took off all the vents for the air because those are all dirty. We're just get new ones. Why not?
Yeah. And then in this room, did this have tile or was this carpet too?
Yeah, this one was all tile as well, which in this one, you can probably see a little bit of the difference. We kind of finished this one off so it doesn't have much mortar sticking out.
Yeah.
It just needs a little bit of quick set to even out the concrete.
Yeah, before you guys put LVP.
Yep. That's right.
Yeah.
And then this, in the beginning,
This was left by the tenants. And so when we were here till 1 a.m. waiting for them to finish up, we're like, we got to leave this up the whole renovation.
After that's what's motivating us to keep going.
Yeah. And this has all been done in a week. So the fact that this is holding up true.
Yep.
Let's go over to the bathroom. Let's
Yeah,
show us what you've been doing in there,
So,
demo wise.
Yeah, same thing. Bathroom, kind of just ripped out the flooring, tore out the vanity, took out the toilet, mirror. This one didn't have popcorn, so it's just a matter of kind of refinishing everything. We left the tub in play now just because the shutoff valve's not working, and just in case there's any oopsies, we don't want no leaks to happen.
That's good.
So
for
we're gonna wait on that.
So what's your plan with the bathroom?
And here, the plan is we're gonna try to raise this up, give it a nice taller feel. This is gonna be a tub, and then we're just gonna tile up all the way around, tile the floor, obviously have a new nice vanity, probably do some tiling on the walls here just to make everything look nice and get it kind of waterproof. And yeah, that's a little not too bad of a bathroom, so I don't think it'll take too long.
Sweet. Let's go out to the backyard and kind of check out what you guys cleared. Because when we first toured this property, there was junk everywhere. We couldn't even access really the backyard.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, as you can see here, it still has like a kind of where the dirt is, because this was just a tent pile of stuff, just junk right there. When we were
there's
taking it all out,
tables.
there was roaches, spiders, critters, the whole thing. So we were kind of a little waiting for a snake to pop out, but nothing happened. So yeah, we got rid of all that stuff there. Obviously, did some landscaping, trimmed up everything back here.
And this opens up to a huge deep lot. Which when we first looked at the property, there was a massive pool that was here. So we couldn't really see the potential.
Yep.
And again, this is the duplex on the right side as well has a huge backyard. So this is something where, I mean, endless options on landscaping or patio wise. I mean, you could still actually throw a pool back here if you wanted.
Yeah, it still has space.
But obviously, you know, this is a rental at the end of the day. So just having a nice backyard, nice and clean.
Yep. Yeah, so we haven't done much besides, just cut the grass. So, pain, man.
A lot more usable. Walk out.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, basically just to see what we got.
Yeah.
Same thing. The grass was like this tall out here. So,
I think we got some clips of that we'll add in.
But a lot of the stuff we'll throw in.
But I mean, at the end of the day, this has all been done in a week, in a few days.
yeah.
Yeah.
Tomorrow would be, a week.
That's crazy. But
So-
experience-wise, you're excited about it? What, pros, cons?
I think I was, super excited, super stoked. I mean, I woke up that next day and all I thought about was, let's get started. So that's what we did. We came in and just made a ruckus over here, cleaned it all out, and that's just kind of been how it's going. Just every day coming out here, getting her done, because it's fun. I mean, don't get me wrong. I like doing this, right? It keeps me busy. And I love it. It's a great process.
And then
Kinda
you're
still learning too as we go.
And you're officially a landlord too.
Yeah. So that's
So-
exciting. I still have to learn a few things, and but I think we'll be all right.
Yeah, the tenant's cool so far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tenant's been good. We've had some small talk, but he's real easy to go.
Yeah,
Talk
that's
to him
nice,
whatnot.
especially during the demo.
Yeah.
Sweet. But yeah, so lots of progress. You got maybe a few more days of demo, and then what's your next steps, over the next couple of weeks, or 2-month project basically to get this thing dialed in?
Yeah. So I think, once we finish off the last bit of popcorn that's left, maybe expose some more sheetrock on where we need to do some roughing stuff. Pick up all the trash or whatnot. We'll probably start getting a game plan on what we're gonna order, so we're not doing a bunch of trips to the store or whatnot. We'll probably just do very minimal.
Because time is money, man.
Time is money, man. Money is time. So we're definitely gonna try to plan everything and get as much as we can, and then basically have a mat ready to just lay stuff in
and just start going with all the install.
Yeah, we'll probably start on kitchen and then bathroom and then flooring, or we'll probably do paint. I guess we'll see where
Yeah.
we're at there. But yeah, I think kitchen
Sweet.
is definitely gonna be
So a
first.
lot of progress will be happening in a short time.
Oh yeah.
So we'll be back here again to see the updates. Especially, I really want to see what the kitchen's gonna look like, because it's not a traditional kitchen that you would see in a duplex. It's what should have been done originally, rather than these galley kitchens.
Yep.
So it's gonna be cool to see that update, you know, and the progress from there.
Yeah, no, I'm excited. You know, you see it on a computer, but it's different seeing it in person.
Yeah.
So excited to see how it comes out.
Sweet.